Hi. I have the horrible accident, broken headband of my grandmother's favorite Beats by Dre Studio headphones. If you have the same problem, today I'll show you how to replace the headband part on Beats Studio 2 or Studio 3 headphones. The same way you can change a broken headband on Beats Solo headphones. With this tutorial you will be able to save more than $100 by not buying new Beats headphones, but simply repairing your existing, broken Beats headphones. The most important thing is that the headphones needs currently to be working condition and the wires are whole. Definitely make sure that the wires are not damaged. As you can see, the headband of these headphones is strongly damaged. There are two options here. If you don't want to wait, you can glue these headphones. They will be fixed in the glued place like stone. See my previous video on how to do this. If you want to keep them in their original condition, you need order a Beats Studio replacement headband. Just note that the color tone may vary a bit, as Beats itself does not offer a replacement headband and these on market as a copy. Otherwise, it's like the original. Start by carefully opening the hinge, so that you can remove the screws with the Torx screwdriver that comes with the replacement headband. Unscrew the screws on both sides, but do not lose them. Carefully remove the rubber cushions and also the plastic bracket frame, but really carefully as these parts will need to be put back on, so don't break them. And remove the old, damaged headband. Then take the rubber cushions and the plastic bracket frame and put them together. Then put the rubber cushions on the audio cable and put the headband inside metal hinge. Do the same on the other side. It won't be easy as one end will fall out while you put the other one in, but it can be done. Screw one end of the headband to the metal hinge. Press the plastic bracket frame to the headband to lock it in place. Put the rubber cushions in the space to fit, so that they don't interfere with the metal hinge on the headband. Screw the metal hinge to the headband. Rubber cushions have to be put behind the plastic bracket frame. It will be complicated, but it has to be done. It's fine. The tone is a bit different, but the headphones work like new. You can fold them and listen to music again. In the next video I'll show you how to easily change those old, damaged earpads cushions for a new one, so you can have the pleasure of using these headphones again. If you also found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons to this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck.